Hello everyone, my name is Umakant Yadav. I'm a data science and business analytics intern at the Spark Foundation, and today I'm going to do exploratory data analysis on sample superstore dataset. So I will try to find the weak areas where I can work to make more profit. So I'm doing exploratory data analysis on Tableau. So let's open a Tableau, and here I have already imported the data set into Tableau. So we can see here we have many features like ship mode, segments, country, city, state, postal codes, region, category, subcategory, sales, quantity, and quantity, discount, profit. So we have to find the weak area profit wise. Okay. So let's first see the profit for category wise, and in the tableau you can see here all these are what we can say alphabetical values, or these are continuous data we can say. Okay, so here we have categories. In category sections we have, okay, so let's look at this pie chart. This pie chart shows the profit distributions category wise. So we are getting very less profit for from furniture sector, and we are getting maximum from technology. So let's move to next, and here we have a bar chart, and this shows that subcategories versus sales. So we can see from here we have the maximum sales of chair, no, maximum sales are phones, chairs. These are maximum sales, and tables 2 lakhs. So okay, so sales are good, but we are selling less amount of fasteners and envelopes and arts. So we are selling less amount of these things. So we need to work on it. So let's see the profit. This is the sales only. We don't have profit data, so we will see not profit. So we can see the profit here. So we are getting maximum profit from copiers, and then we are getting accessories and likewise, and we are getting maximum loss from tables. So this is a very good point for us because we need to work on it, and we are also getting supplies. We are getting loss from supplies and bookcases also. Okay, so these till now we have concluded that the category wise and subcategory wise. So let's move to region wise, how it's look like. This is the sales data in this pie chart. So by this we can see that we have a less sales in south area and a maximum in west area. Let's move to next, profit, because our main goal is to find the weak area profit wise, not sales wise. So profit wise. So here we can see we are getting less profit from central area and maximum from west area. So this is very clear that we need to work on central area and west south area, because sales are good. I think the sales are equal. Again, I can't say equal, but not less than west area, because here we are selling 5 lakhs and here we are selling 7 lakhs 25. But we are getting very less profit here as compared to west area. Here we are only getting 39,706, and here we are getting 1 lakhs 8,401. So we need to work on central region and south region. So we have find the weak region profit wise. And let's move to next, that is city wise. Let's also see the city wise, because we have already concluded that we have weak areas in central and south. But let's let's say city wise. So here we can see we are So we are getting more profit from New York City. So we can see that this bar chart is of profit, and this is for sales. So we have to focus more on profit than sales, because sometimes we are getting more number. We have the sales value is more, but we are getting very less profit. So as a manager, or as a member of any company, I think our main motto is to profit, and also sales, but profit is also main motto. So let's see where we are getting loss here. So first we need to work on losses. Wherever we are getting losses, we need to work on that area. Like in this in this city called Philadelphia, we are getting loss. We are getting more loss. Chicago, Chicago, we are getting 6,655. We are getting loss. Sales is 48, and we are getting loss here also, but small loss. Here San Antonio, we are getting loss. So likewise, we need to work on all these area wherever I am getting loss. Like Lancaster, we are getting 7,239, and here we are getting small loss. We are not getting profit. The bad thing about this uh, data is we are getting loss. So as a manager, our main, I think we will improve it. We will try to improve all the city wherever we are getting, like Rockford, we are getting losses, and we are here getting small losses, but we have to work on it these areas. So let's move to this is let's check once by doing region wise, because this is the city of all regions. Let's first see the central region. Okay, so central region. Okay, so we are getting the hostel, from hostel city we are getting less. We are getting, sorry, we are getting maximum loss from hostel city, and San Antino we are getting also maximum loss. I can say maximum, but we are getting loss. And we are getting, I think, maximum profit from 13,000 from Detroit city. So we need to work on these cities like Houston, San Antino from central region, and we have already concluded that we need to work on central and east region. So let's now next see to east region, how it's look like. Okay, so this is look like this. Wow, we are getting maximum profit from New York City, and we are getting lost from this, like, what is the name of city? Philadelphia, we are getting lost here. We need to work on this city. And this is Lancaster, we need to work on this city also. And the next is Springfield, and this city is Cleveland. We need to work on all the city wherever we are getting loss, because as a company can run on what, no profit no loss, no profit no loss. But here is a loss, so we need to work on all these area wherever we are getting loss. Here we are getting less loss, but here we are getting more loss. So move to let's move to next, that is sales and profit statewide. So this bar chart represents the sales statewide, and this bar chart represents the profit of statewide. So by looking at this sales bar chart, we can we can say that California, uh, California state have maximum profit. No, sorry. This is sales. Sorry. This is not a profit. This is sales. Profit of California is maximum, yes, 76,381. And then comes New York State, not city. And we are getting also loss here from Texas State. And we are getting profit from Washington. Then again loss. Then again loss, Florida. Again loss, profit, loss, North Carolina, and we are getting profit from these area then when we are lost. So we can conclude from this graph is we are getting loss, maximum loss from Texas. So we need to work on Texas state, and we also work on Pennsylvania and Ohio, and also on North Carolina, because these are from these state we are getting maximum loss. So we need to work on these state, and we are getting maximum profit from California and New York. Okay, so that's it, guys, from me. Thank you so much.